Us a dance of greatness is the municipality of Nueva Era.
Kulintas. Dato na pagpampan na kilme nga arwaten may nga taga Nueva Era. Ngamin manipod kani kaduna na nga tiyempo daton tattao nga managanan isnog dato ta arwaten da kanikan una na ket kaasi taapo nadanon may met dato nga natawid. Ito nga di kami nga magintawid, madimi mabalin nga ipatkaw, madimi mabalin nga ipiyarta sa bali. Tanong kami no mapukaw to na oray may isa nga batulang, awan ta mabirukam nga kaparis nan. Ta oray no bayadam ta milyon, adi ka makabiro ting takastoy nga klase. Ito nga kastatakid ang patigna.
With nearly a decade of high placements, Nueva Era has proven to be a force in Tan-o. Their performance tonight tells the story of the Tingyan people who sacrificed land, livestock, and livelihood to give their children a future. Despite the struggles they endured, they forged paths in different fields while staying rooted in their heritage. Will this be the year they finally reclaim the championship? Now, they take their shot at glory.
Nueva Era is going to be na isang sangayan because of three main reasons: its ancestry, culture and heritage, and its people. Nueva Era's new ethnic choreography seamlessly blend with the Tingyan cultural elements that's contemporary storytelling.
We are bringing a story that is not just grand, but deeply personal. This is about resilience, sacrifices, and unbreakable bond between Tingyan people and their heritage. Our performance is powerful, our execution precise, and our message unforgettable.
We are incorporating a different kind of taste and concept for an Okni Ilocano 2025.
About making a statement. That's a great showcase of indigenous culture, Nueva Era. Bravo!